Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Soft Tech Sharing. If you're curious about which tech jobs will dominate in 2025 and how to prepare for them, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 high-demand tech jobs of 2025. Whether you're just starting out or planning your next career move, stick around for actionable tips to future-proof your journey. Let's jump in. First up, AI specialists. AI is transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and entertainment, and experts in this field are leading the charge. As an AI specialist, you'll work on machine learning models, create algorithms, and find innovative ways to leverage data. Picture yourself working on cutting-edge applications like chatbots, autonomous vehicles, or AI-powered apps. This is the reality of AI professionals. To prepare for this role, learn programming languages like Python and R. Get hands-on with frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras. Specialize in areas like natural language processing, deep learning, and computer vision. Look into online certifications in machine learning or AI from platforms like Coursera or edX. If you love solving complex puzzles and dream of creating groundbreaking technologies, AI specialist might just be your perfect fit. Next, let's talk about DevOps engineers. These are the efficiency experts of the tech world, seamlessly connecting development and operations. DevOps engineers focus on automating processes, managing infrastructure, and streamlining software delivery pipelines to make deployments faster and more reliable. To prepare for this role, build hands-on experience with tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins. Master CI/CD pipelines and infrastructure as code using tools like Terraform or Ansible. Pursue certifications in cloud platforms like Azure or Google Cloud. If optimizing systems and making processes seamless excites you, this is where you belong. Moving on to cybersecurity experts, the guardians of the digital world. As cyber threats grow, so does the demand for professionals who can protect data and prevent breaches. A cybersecurity expert ensures businesses and individuals stay safe in an increasingly digital world. To prepare for this role, dive into network security and encryption protocols. Learn tools like Wireshark, Kali Linux, and Metasploit. Earn certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, CompTIA Security Plus, or CSSP. If staying one step ahead of digital threats and creating bulletproof systems inspires you, this career is your calling. Now let's shine a light on data scientists, the detectives of the tech world. Data scientists play a crucial role in helping businesses make informed decisions, predict trends, and optimize operations. They're behind innovations in areas like user experience for e-commerce, healthcare insights, and even sports analytics. To prepare for this role, master programming languages like Python, R, and SQL. Learn data visualization tools such as Tableau, Power BI, or Matplotlib. Explore machine learning and statistical modeling techniques. Build a portfolio that showcases real-world problem-solving projects. If uncovering patterns, making data-driven decisions, and telling stories with data sounds like your dream job, data science is the path for you. And finally, we have cloud engineers. With the shift to cloud computing, businesses need experts to design and manage their cloud infrastructure. Whether it's public, private, or hybrid clouds, cloud engineers ensure scalability, security, and efficiency. To prepare for this role, gain hands-on experience with platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. Learn about cloud architecture, virtualization, and networking. Pursue certifications like AWS Solutions Architect, Google Professional Cloud Architect, or Microsoft Azure Administrator. If building scalable, secure systems and embracing cutting-edge cloud technologies excites you, a career as a cloud engineer could be the perfect fit. That's a wrap on the top 5 high-demand tech jobs for 2025. From AI specialists to cloud engineers, these careers are shaping the future of tech. Which one sparks your interest? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tips and insights into tech careers. Thanks for tuning in to Soft Tech Sharing. See you next time.